Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to see who likes you on Bumble. To see who likes you on Bumble, you need to have Bumble Boost or Bumble Premium subscription, which allows you to view your potential matches. Here's how you can access this feature. First step is to launch Bumble application on your device. Now, at the bottom of the screen, you can see Liked You option. Click on it. After that, if you have Bumble Boost or Bumble Premium, you will see an option labeled Who Likes Me at the top of the matches screen. Tap on it. Here you will see a grid of users who have swiped right on your profile. You can tap on their profile to learn more about them. If you like someone from this list, you can swipe right on their profile to match with them directly. Other tips is that if you don't have Bumble Booster Premium, you can purchase a subscription through the app to unlock this feature. And regularly engaging with the application and create an appealing profile to attract more likes. Use these steps, you can quickly see who is interested in you on Bumble. So that is how you can see who liked you on Bumble. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.